Let's take a look at these examples. I have voltage sine 3t. Remember, anytime there is no integer next to sine, there is always invisible one. And this is going to be my voltage peak. Voltage peak in this case is equal 1 volt. Omega is equal 2 pi over t. So t is equal 2 pi over omega. Period is equal 2 pi over omega. In this case, my omega is equal 3. That's why my period is equal 2 pi over 3 seconds. Now we can draw the waveform. This is going to be my voltage in volts. Y-axis represents voltage, and this is t, time, measured in seconds. My period is 2 pi over 3. I'm going to mark my pi. This is my 2 pi. This is my 3 pi, and this is my 4 pi. Period is 2 pi over 3. Means I have to find 2/3 of the pi. This is 2/3 of pi. So my wave is going to look like this. The period t is equal 2/3 pi. But I'm supposed to have 2 cycles. That's why I'm going to draw the second one. Looking like this. My peak value of the voltage, positive peak is 1 volt. And negative peak is minus 1 volt. We have 2 cycles, positive voltage, negative voltage, and period. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. This time we have cosine wave, and this is my peak value. So this I peak is equal minus 1/2 amp. My omega is equal to radians per second. Period is equal 2 pi over omega. In this case, this is going to be 2 pi over 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and my period is equal pi seconds. Remember, this is radian per second. Radian and radian will cancel out, and we are going to end up with seconds. Now we can sketch the waveform. Because I have equation for current, I'm going to write over current measured in amps, and I have time measured in seconds. Find pi, mark 2 pi, approximately 3 pi, and let's say 4 pi. The period is pi. I have to draw cosine wave. So I'm going to find the midpoint. And because I have negative 1/2, I'm going to start from the negative peak value. And I'm going to have something like this. This is my 1 cycle, and this is my negative 1/2 amp, and this is positive 1/2. Next, in order to draw another cycle, I'm going to have approximately second cycle. My period t is equal pi. I have positive peak value, negative peak value, and I found a period. I drew 2 cycles. This is the solution to my problem.